common misconception that people think that hypnotherapy is a bit of the supernatural. Is that really the case? Or is it something that's a bit more grounded in science?
Now, hypnosis is always misinterpreted with magic, with supernatural, and even con men. In real, hypnosis is a clinical tool that is frequently used by psychologists, psychiatrists, and even psychotherapists. Even the scientists are catching a glimpse on how hypnotherapy works for the brain. Now, there's a study and research being done with the Stanford School of Medicine using 57 participants. So what happened is they put all these participants in an fMRI, where we call it as a functional magnetic resonant imaging. So what happened is that we put them into a very deep relaxation, which is called a hypnotic trance. So the results show that there's a decreased activity in the dorsal anterior cingulate cortex, which is part of the brain. So this region is actually responsible for evaluation, for critical judgment. So what happens is that when there is a reduced activity, it means that that part of the brain is a temporary reduced, and then therefore the person can go into more deep relaxation.